there is a person from your past that is currently fighting an inner battle for losing you forever this time. It's like this person was used to coming back to your life knowing that every time they come back, you are going to open the door for them. That is what I'm feeling. It's like no matter how much they had hurt you, you always forgave this person. You always showed them kindness, compassion. You always let love lead the way. Take this as it resonates. It doesn't have to be a romantic connection only. This could be also a family member, a friend, someone that you had a very, very strong bond with. But right now, they're in the past. They're no longer connected to you as they were, or whatever it is in your reality. Because what I'm seeing is that this person is the one that set the foundation of the breakup or the separation, like I said, as it resonates. This person is the one that could have initiated the silence between the both of you right now. They could be the ones that ghosted you in the first place, and they made you look like a fool. They made you feel like you were the one that loved them the most, or you were the one that wanted this connection the most. Basically, this person initiated this separation or this breakup in your reality. But what I'm seeing is that right now, this person is in a position of losing their mind, because it's like for some time now, because some of you could have moved on from this person many years ago. It has taken them this long to come to agreement between themselves and themselves, or it has taken them this long to get to this point of acceptance that you will never be in their life again. Some of you, they could have not done even anything bad, like that bad, apart from ghosting you. Some of them could have gone through something and then it led to the ghosting. Basically, it is I'm picking on an energy that the both of you had something good. It was a good friendship, it was a strong foundation, but this person initiated this, like I said in the beginning, this breakup or this separation. It's like it's like they thought that no matter how long it would be, they would always come back and you would always welcome them. Some of you, I'm gonna say, they blocked you. uh they just stopped talking to you. They put you in a position of overthinking what the both of you had. But like I said, right now this person is accepting the fact that you are not going to welcome them back into your life. It's like they've been replaced already. Whatever position they were in your life, I'm feeling like they have been replaced already. They could have been replaced by an awakening, because I saw that some of you, if this is a connection, you could, maybe you have not yet moved on into another connection, but you went through an awakening. Actually, this is one of the reasons as to why you went through the awakening in the first place. This person is the one of the reasons, not the main reason, but one of the reasons as to why you went through this process. And now you are focusing on other things, and now you see life in a better light. Like, you see things a different way. You don't even hate this person, but you don't mind them being far away from you. You don't mind, you don't even care bringing them back into your life. That is what I'm seeing. But then some of you, if this is a connection, I see that you already have someone else. You are committed somewhere else. You have moved on. You have moved on, and this person has no chance they have no opportunity to be in your life again. If it is a friendship, it is the same thing. You either went through an awakening, or there is someone else that is playing the role they were playing in your life. And this person is, because I was seeing in my dream someone was pacing around looking for your location. It's like they're looking for your location, like for real. I've been getting that they are trying to connect with mutual friends, people that connected the both of you. But it's also like those people that they're trying to connect with are also in your past right now. You disconnected from them, you cut them off. So literally no one can help this person to reach out to you, to get back to you. It's like a dead end for them. But I'm seeing that they want to get back into your reality because they see it's you are living a better life. You are having this, I don't know, this aura. Your aura is shining. Something is pulling them towards you. It's like some kind of magnet. They're feeling like they're being pulled towards you, and they want to stay in your energy forever. I'm getting that even if you moved on, it's like they're willing to, I don't know, sabotage this connection so that they can be in this position. This person really, I'm getting that when you were still together, you really had a strong bond. You had something good going. Like people thought the both of you are gonna end up together. If it is a friendship, people thought you would never go, I don't know, in separation or whatever it is, whatever you wanna call it. People thought this is gonna be a forever thing between you and this person. Even the both of you thought so at some point. Um, Basically, this person wants to come back so bad, like so bad. They're trying to find ways to connect back into your energy. They're trying to look for you. It's like they're like, if I get to know this person's location, I'll just show up. They wish to just show up. It's like some of you changed your location. Either you relocated to another country or to another area, or if it's a workplace that they knew you're no longer working from that place, they cannot have access to you physically, and that is what they want. And in the dream I also saw that there was someone that gave them a map to your location, but it's like the map was wrong. So I guess the more this person is trying to look for you, they are getting wrong directions from the so-called mutual friends the both of you had. They are also getting deceived, like they're lying to them that, oh, this person is here, oh, I know where this person is, oh, you know that, and it's not all true. It's because this person is showing a lot of desperation. They're so desperate. It's like this person has just woken up from a deep sleep of losing you. Something about you, like I said, is pulling them towards you. It's like this person idolized you. This person took you as their only family. They took you as the love of their lives. And now I don't know where they've been all this time. I don't know what they've been doing, but it's like they've just woken up, or it's like they went through their own awakening, and they feel like you are the only person that can understand them, because you could be on the same level of awakening as well, like something like that. Basically, be wherever you are, knowing that someone is looking for you, east and west, south and north. Don't get surprised or shocked when someone shows up at your door if you still stay in the same location where this person left you. Don't be surprised, because they are not giving up. That's what I'm seeing. They're not giving up. They're not giving up. They want to come back in like they've never left. They are so angry that you moved on, because it's like they were showed by some of their friends on social media. Like, we see, they are so angry that you really moved on. It's like they want to get the truth out from you yourself. They want you to speak for yourself. All right, leave a comment if this resonated with you, because I want to hear what you think. Oh, I give thanks and praises for your presence. Love.